Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Emilio Carpio. I am a licensed professional teacher and an internationally trained lawyer from the Philippines. I am currently navigating the path to practice law in Canada. In today's video, I will share essential strategies for successfully passing the Canadian Contract Law Examination. Let us proceed. Tip number 1. Early preparation is key. The importance of early preparation cannot be overstated. In my case, I scheduled my contract law examination for September and began my study regimen in July. This early start allowed ample time to thoroughly review the study materials, familiarize myself with the core principles, and ensure I was well versed in the subject matter. Tip number 2. Quantify your study materials. A crucial step in your preparation is to quantify your study materials. By calculating the total number of pages and assessing your reading capacity per hour, you can establish a realistic study schedule. This will enable you to allocate sufficient time for each section and create a timeline tailored to your personal pace, which is particularly vital for those balancing employment with study. Tip number 3. Employ the syllogistic method in your answers. In legal exams, syllogism is an indispensable tool. This method allows you to apply legal principles to facts in a structured, logical manner. By following a clear, step-by-step analysis, you can demonstrate how established legal rules apply to the facts at hand, culminating in a sound conclusion. Syllogistic reasoning is often incorporated within the IRAC, issue, rule, application, conclusion framework, which is foundational in legal analysis and critical to crafting precise, reasoned responses. Tip number 4. Adhere rigorously to the instructions. The instructions provided in the examination are paramount. A failure to follow them precisely could cost valuable marks. If the instructions specify a particular response format, such as identifying the correct answer without elaboration, ensure that your answer is succinct and directly aligned with the examiner's request. Disregarding the instructions can undermine an otherwise solid answer. Tip number 5. Master the fundamental concepts. At its core, contract law is logical and systematic. Focus on mastering the fundamental concepts such as the formation of contracts, the elements of offer and acceptance, the role of consideration, and the enforceability of agreements. A strong command of these basic principles will enable you to approach questions with confidence and clarity, avoiding unnecessary complication. Tip number 6. Address every question, even in uncertainty. Even if you encounter a question whose content is unfamiliar or not covered in your notes, do not leave it unanswered. Instead, leverage your understanding of related legal concepts and apply logical reasoning to craft a plausible response. Every answer is an opportunity to demonstrate your analytical skills, so fight for every mark. Tip number 7. Identify the legal issues with precision. Legal questions, particularly in contract law, are fact-intensive. The ability to identify and isolate the relevant facts is critical, as these facts pinpoint the underlying legal issues. Accurate issue spotting is fundamental to constructing a coherent argument and ensuring your response addresses the most pertinent aspects of the question. Tip number 8. Strive for clarity and precision in your analysis. Legal writing requires precision and clarity. Contract law questions are typically straightforward, and your answer should reflect this directness. Avoid unnecessary verbosity or overly complex language. Instead, present a concise, focused analysis, isolating the facts that are legally significant and filtering out irrelevant information. A precise, targeted response will strengthen your legal reasoning and demonstrate a deep understanding of the material. Tip number 9. Manage your time and marks wisely. Effective time management is an essential skill in any legal examination. At the outset of the exam, allocate your time based on the marks assigned to each question. More time should be dedicated to higher mark questions that require more comprehensive analysis, while shorter questions should be answered more efficiently. Always keep a watchful eye on your time to ensure you address each question appropriately and avoid rushing through complex issues. Tip number 10. Approach each question with a legal mindset. Adopt a lawyer's mindset when analyzing each question. Your responses should be confident, assertive, and rooted in sound legal reasoning. Avoid using tentative language. Instead, take a firm, reasoned stance on each issue. The goal is to demonstrate your ability to engage in structured, logical legal analysis while presenting a clear and decisive argument. Thank you for joining me today. I trust that these strategies will aid you in mastering the complexities of contract law. Remember, a methodical approach paired with discipline and a strong command of the fundamentals is key to success in this exam. Please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights in upcoming videos. Until next time, stay focused and remain determined.